So here are the rafters between the ceiling, or in the ceiling, between the two rooms. So I guess that's what you wanted to see, Joe. So this is it. So, once again, whoops, okay, little trip. They're tearing up the floor in the bathroom, which is a total mess. So this is today's work, but they framed the door to the bedroom with a big door. I don't know, can you see it? It's going to be a big door. I have to back up a little more. There you go. Bathroom. So this is where the refrigerator is going to be. Then a corner cabinet, sink, a window, stove, and then the dining room. Okay. All right, more to come. Today's December 10th. Oh, and Joe's outside. He just put up a mailbox. So let's get a shot of that. Joe in the mailbox. River Road. They're tearing up the floor now. So I'm going to take a quick shot of the house on the outside. I put the numbers on there. So there you go. There you have it. Next door, down the street, and the new mailbox, 3 River Road.